So this is how you can reverse a video in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to reverse your videos. So let's get started by dragging down a clip from our clips here, our imports, and then as you can see, this is the clip that we're going to reverse. Now let me just shorten it so it reverses faster because the longer the video is, the longer the time it takes to reverse. So as you can see, there are buttons here. You have split, delete left, delete right, delete, bookmark, freeze, and reverse. This is the seventh button. Now you're going to want to tap on your clip and then tap on reverse. Once you do, it will load for a while. Depending on how long your video is, it could load for a long time or a very short time. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can reverse a clip in CapCut. Once again, just tap on the video and then tap on reverse. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.